Friends, welcome back to Simplified by Singham. Welcome to our Python journey. So far, we have learned how to find the largest numbers, and even we worked with leap years in the previous exercise as well. And we have covered few important Python basics till now. So now we are working on exercises so that you guys can get more use of the basics that we have learned before. So, in exercise 3, we are going to write a program to check if a number is positive, negative, or zero. It sounds simple, but trust me, this exercise will help you build a strong foundation in using if else conditions. And let's go step by step. Always try to work on flowchart before solving a problem because a flowchart helps us to understand the path the program should follow. So if the number is greater than 0, it's positive, and if the number is less than 0, then it's negative. It's as simple as that. You will start the program, you will get the number, you will check whether it is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, then this will be true, then it will print that the number is positive, else it will print that the number is negative, and then it comes out of the loop. Okay, let's start then. So always get user input number equal to input, enter a number. And now you'll be getting a doubt called whether I have to take integer or float. To observe these use cases, here they used integer and they also used float. So I think it's better to take float. So just give float. And now check the conditions. If number greater than 0, then just print the number is positive, else just print the number is negative. And what if the number is 0? What if the number equal to 0? If you check this condition, you also have to show them that a number is 0. So it's very simple. You just have to add elif, and if number equal to 0, then just print the number is 0. That's it. So let's break this down slowly. So even if you're coding for the first time, you will get it for sure. So first we ask the user to enter a number, and I used float so we can check both integers and even decimals. And then we used if, elif, else structure. If the number is greater than 0, then you will print the number is positive. If the number is 0, then you will just say the number is 0. Else, obviously, the number will be negative, so the number is negative. And that's it. Python makes it super simple. And let's run the program and test. Enter a number, maybe 7. The number is positive. Okay. Let's give some gap here. Let's run again and enter a number minus 3.14. The number is negative. Okay. Now let's try again. Enter number 0. The number is 0. Works perfectly in all cases. It's as simple as that. If it is greater than 0, then this condition will be executed. If the number is 0, then this condition, else the number is negative. And that's how you check whether a number is positive, negative, or 0 in Python. And the key takeaway here is always break your problem into small conditions, and flowcharts are like your roadmap. They make coding much easier. If you found this explanation simple and clear, then don't forget to do two small favors for me. One is to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next exercise. And also give this video a like because your support motivates me to bring you more beginner friendly coding lessons. And also remember, every line of code you write takes you one step closer to becoming a confident programmer. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.